Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is distance learning. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our video for today is provided to us by Britannica.com. Thank you Britannica for allowing us to use this content. So what is distance learning? So it was written by Gary Aberg. Distance learning form of education in which the main elements include physical separation of teachers and students during instruction and the use of various technologies to facilitate student-teacher and student-student communication. Distance learning traditionally has focused on non-traditional students such as full-time workers, military personnel, and non-residents or individuals in remote regions who are unable to attend classroom lectures. However, distance learning has become an established part of the educational world with trends pointing to ongoing growth. In the US, higher education alone, more than 5.6 million university students were enrolled in at least one online course in the autumn of 2009, up from 1.6 million in 2002. Students of all ages around the world were forced into distance learning in early 2020 once the global coronavirus pandemic resulted in the widespread closure of many schools. Video conferencing software such as Zoom gained greatly from this development. Zoom became one of the most popular services of its kind, one of the most downloaded applications worldwide in household word. Teaching and the student-teacher relationship was fundamentally changed. An increasing number of universities provide distance learning opportunities. A pioneer in the field is the University of Phoenix, which was founded in Arizona in 1976 and by the first decade of the 21st century had become the largest private school in the world with more than 400,000 enrolled students. It was one of the earliest adopters of distance learning technology, although many of its students spend some time in classrooms on one of its dozens of campuses in the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. A precise figure for international enrollment in distance learning is unavailable, but the enrollment at two of the largest public universities that heavily utilize distance learning methods gives some indication. In the early 21st century, the Indira Gandhi National Open University headquarters in New Delhi had an enrollment in excess of 1.5 million students, and the China Central Radio and TV University headquarters in Beijing had more than 500,000 students. Students and institutions embrace distance learning with good reason. Universities benefit by adding students without having to construct classrooms and housing, and students reap the advantages of being able to work where and when they choose. Public school systems offer specialty courses as small enrollment languages and advanced placement classes without having to set up multiple classrooms. In addition, homeschool students gain access to centralized instruction. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is distance learning is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.